Woke up this morning, hearing sweet songs. Three little birds outside my doorstep. Four little birds outside my doorstep, singing sweet songs. Singing, don't worry about a thing. Every little thing's gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about a thing. 'Cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Saying, don't worry about a thing. 'Cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Saying, don't worry about a thing. Trying to get the rhythm. 'Cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Woke up this morning. I gotta remember this song, Bob Marley. Please don't turn away in your grave. He's still alive because we're all energy. Energy doesn't die, it multiplies. Woke up this morning, singing sweet song. See how energy's multiplying? Sing every little thing, it's gonna be alright. Three little birds, four little birds, five little birds, six little birds outside my doorstep, singing, don't worry about a thing. 'Cause every little thing is gonna be alright. They want some food. Good morning, everybody. This is Deidre Hathor, and I love you. And there's nothing you can do about it. Bam! It's 2:24, and these birds are like, we love you, girl. We're coming in for the show. It's showtime. And we love it. Who else can do this? Call in the birds. Ollie, Ollie, and free. I'm here trying to tell you that you can increase your energy. When you increase your energy, everybody loves you. You're happy. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, and your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. You know, everything is energy. The trees, the birds. Look at this beautiful tree right here. So green. What's ever close to the sun gets the most prize. So you eat what's close to the sun. Here comes the sun. I say it's alright. The birds feel the energy. I feel the energy. Increase your energy by eating power foods. Hug a tree. Be with the birds. Be with the plants. Be happy. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Be around people that are happy. We are human beings. We're supposed to be. Thanks for the show, you guys. I love you. I love you. I love you. And where you go, I'll follow. I'll follow. I'll follow. I will follow him. Those are pretty lovebirds, but the song really goes like this. I love him. I love him. I love him. And where he goes, I'll follow. I'll follow. I'll follow. I will follow him. Anyway, I just wanted you guys to know that today is a great day, and every day is a great day. You just gotta make it that way. Toodles! Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. It's all the same name. I am Deidre Hathor, and I'm your reflection.